Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure to log into your Twitch TV account. In order to log into your Twitch account, you need to follow these steps. First thing first, you will have to install the application. Head over to your respective app store, type in Twitch, and on the search bar you want to locate Twitch and click on the install button. Once the application is completely installed, click on the open button, and this is where the interface will take. Now then, you have two different options, login and sign up. If you don't have an account, then you have to click on the sign up button and register your account. And to log in, you also need to make sure that you already have an existing account. So click on the login button, enter in the username and a password associated with your Twitch account. And once you're done with that, you need to go ahead and make sure to enter in the password as well. So once you're done entering the following information, click on the login button underneath, and then you have these section. You have started or you've actually logged in. So this is the way you could log into your Twitch account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.